Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Tech Soldiers powered by D&D. Friends, this is part 2, continuation of part 1. If you did not see the part 1, the link is in the description, once go through it. So friends, let us continue the topic. Tools. The uses of tools started 2.6 million years back in Ethiopia. Anthropologists believe the use of tools became an important step in the evolution of mankind. Earlier, materials such as sticks and stones made tools. The invention of machine tools advanced the Industrial Revolution. Imagine how would we build or maintain previous innovations without a handy hammer. The light bulb. The energy we use today at home and office is a bright idea from more than 150 years ago. In the early 19th century, by Humphrey Davy, electric lights developed throughout the 1800s and was one of the most influential great inventions of all times. Edison and Swan patented the first light bulb in 1879 and 1880. In the mid-1980s, CFLs hit the market. But the drawbacks such as high cost, bulky, low light output, and inconsistent performance made them less prominent. Currently, LEDs offer the best energy savings on the market. However, the invention of the bulb electrified new businesses. It also led to new energy breakthroughs such as power plants, electric transmission lines, home appliances, etc. Electricity. Electricity has become the basic need for day-to-day life. It's been there around all along, but the practical applications to effectively use it was invented. Although many use electricity, how many of you know the evolution of electricity? Alessandro Volta discovered the first practical method for generating electricity. 1831 is marked the year of major breakthrough for electricity. A British scientist, Michael Faraday, discovered the basic principles of electricity generations. The electromagnetic induction discovery revolutionized the energy usage. Streetlights were some of the earliest attention-gaining equipment. With the rise in electrical usability, now it stands as a backbone of modern industrial society. With increased mobility, human life has become dependent on electricity. Battery. The prehistoric battery dates back to the Parthian Empire, which might be 2000 years old. The old battery consisted of a clay jar filled with a vinegar solution, into which a copper cylinder surrounded iron rod was inserted. These batteries might have been used to electroplate silver. The inventor of the first electric battery is Alessandro Volta. He also laid the foundation of electrochemistry. The mass production of the first electric battery began in 1802 by William Cruikshank. The history of batteries marked a remarkable date in 1859 with the invention of the first rechargeable battery based on lead acid by French physician Gaston Plante. The nickel-cadmium battery was introduced in 1899 by Waldemar Jungner. Printing press. Before the internet's ability to spread information, the printing press helped information travel around the globe. Developed around 1440 in Mainz, Germany, Johannes Gutenberg's mission improved on already existing presses. By 1500, Gutenberg's presses were operating throughout Western Europe with a production of 20 million copies. By 1600, they had created over 200 million new books. Morse code and telegraph. The telegraph was developed around 1830-1840 by Samuel Morse and other inventors, which revolutionized long-distance communication. The electrical signals were transmitted by a wire laid between stations. In addition, Samuel Morse developed a code called Morse code for the simple transmission of messages across the telegraph lines. Based on the frequency of usage, the code assigned a set of dots and dashes to English alphabets and numbers. The telegraph laid major foundations for modern conveniences like telephones and coding for the internet. Steel. While the early ages used stone, bronze, and iron, it was steel that fired the Industrial Revolution. As per archaeological excavations, the earliest known production of the metal dates back to 4000 years. The invention of Bessemer process, a technique for creating steel using molten pig iron, paved the way for the mass production of steel, making it one of the biggest industries on the planet. Now steel is used in the creation of everything from bridges to skyscrapers. And here comes the transistors. The transistor is an essential component in nearly every modern electronic gadget. In 1926, Julius Lilienfeld patented a field effect transistor, but the working device was not feasible. In 1947, John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley developed the first practical device at Bell Laboratories. It then won the Trio 1956 Nobel Prize in Physics. Transistors have become a fundamental piece of circuitry in countless electronic devices, including televisions, cell phones, and computers, making a remarkable impact on technology. Antibiotics. Antibiotics saved millions of lives by killing and inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch first described the antibiosis phenomenon of antibiotic drug in 1877. In 1928, Alexander Fleming set the first leap in antibiotics by identifying penicillin, the chemical compound with antibiotic properties. Throughout the 20th century, antibiotics spread rapidly and proved to be a major living improvement, fighting nearly every known form of infection and protecting people's health. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video. The rest of the inventions will be seen in next video. Please like, share and subscribe.